Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the TKX transmission and QuickTime bell housing and clutch assembly installed. I'll go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. We have the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer, correct oil pan for the customer's 66 Mustang, oil pressure extensions on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the fittings, gas filters installed. We have the brass freeze plugs in there, engine block painted black, AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice 427 cubic inch stroker valve covers. The MSD distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Y-end aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, Black Ridge air cleaner with the washable filter. We have the QuickTime bell housing on there, Ram clutch, TKX transmission on there with the proper stick shift, Hurst shifter, and white 5-speed ball on there. The external slave cylinder is installed, all adjusted for the customer, all set. We have the high torque mini starter on there, red ignition wires, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, the chrome fuel lines on there, ready to go. We have the Raptor polished serpentine pulley kit. This is the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, all set, ready to go. High flow aluminum water pump, proper lower hose location on the passenger side for the 66 Mustang. We have the thermostat housing on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing on the engine, adjust the idle mixture screws, dial them all in, set the idle. The engine will be completely drop-in ready to go. So again, this is our 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the TKX transmission, 5-speed, QuickTime bell housing, Ram clutch, ready to go. The engine will also be shipped on an extended skid to the customer, complete as you see it, drop-in ready. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.